Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you guys feel nice and good. So today, I want to tell you guys about my material, but before I explain to you guys about my material I prepared, let me introduce myself first. My name is Aafanin Fajriyath, but you can call me Fanin, and my student number is 29. So, the material I want to tell you guys is about photosynthesis. So, do you know what is photosynthesis? I think you must know it what is photosynthesis, but I will explain to you guys. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose. During this process, plants use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. The general equation of photosynthesis is like this. This means that carbon dioxide and water, with the help of sunlight, are converted into glucose and oxygen. And where we can find photosynthesis in plants. So, photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, especially in the leaves. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, or the green pigment that absorbs sunlight. I'm sorry. And there are two main stages in photosynthesis. First is light reaction, second is dark reaction or Calvin cycle. Light reaction in the thylakoid membranes and dark reaction in the stroma. And then, how the process of photosynthesis. In the light reaction, there are some steps for photosynthesis. First step is chlorophyll absorbs light and energies electrons. Second, water split or photolysis and releasing oxygen. And third is electrons move through the electron transport chains to form ATP. And the last one is NADPH is produced. And the product from light reaction is ATP, NADPH, and the last one is oxygen from releasing the water. And the next reaction is dark reaction. The dark reaction or Calvin cycle don't need direct light. They use ATP and NADPH from the light reaction to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. And how to step from dark reaction? First is carbon fixation by the enzyme named ribosco. Second is reduction to form G3P. And third is regeneration of RUBP. Several G3P molecules combine to form glucose. And after we know the reaction, how the process, we need to know what is factor from photosynthesis. So there are so many factors affecting photosynthesis, but I will explain to you guys about 5 factors. One is light intensity. Higher light intensity speed up photosynthesis until it reaches a saturation point. Second is carbon dioxide levels. Carbon dioxide is raw material. More carbon dioxide increase the rate of photosynthesis up to a certain limit. Third is temperature. Photosynthesis depends on enzymes. The ideal temperature is around 25 until 35 Celsius. Too low or too high temperature will slow the process. Fourth is water supply. Water supply Water is needed for photolysis, and low water supply causes stomata to close and reducing carbon dioxide intake. And the last one is chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll contain plants with more chlorophyll can absorb more sunlight and perform photosynthesis more efficiently. So, after we know all of that, like definition, how the process, where the place of photosynthesis, and the factor, we can conclude that photosynthesis is the process where plants convert sunlight into food. It includes the light reaction which produce ATP, NADPH, and oxygen, and the dark reaction which use these molecules to form glucose. Photosynthesis is affected by light, carbon dioxide, temperature, water, and chlorophyll levels. So that's all of my explanation, guys. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.